You said something to me earlier. I'm not gonna say it's word for word, but pretty much just know my worth. I haven't been underselling myself. I've been underpaying myself for
Yeah, you've
sure.
been
And I'm,
undervaluing yourself.
but also, I'm gonna tell you what happens as well. And I don't know if it's in any other city,
Don't be giving me
but
excuses.
here in Jacksonville for sure, people want to nickel and dime you, and they don't understand the process of being an editor, being a photographer, being a videographer, being a creator itself. Like they don't understand the
Don't work with
fucking
those people.
process. I've had somebody call me last minute saying, "Yeah, this person needs blase, blase, blase," because I won't say what they needed because I actually rock with this person that called me. They were just trying to get me some work. You know what I'm
Yeah,
saying?
yeah, yeah.
And they need blase, blase, blase. And I was like, all right, cool. And I actually undersold myself because I should have said I should have charged fucking triple because you called me at the last minute. That's the first thing.
Yeah.
But even then, listen, I charged them. I charged them like maybe like $600 or some shit like that. And it was like, oh no, send me some reels so I can see what you do and this and the third. I'm like, you need me. I don't fucking need you. Even though I want the money, but
Yeah,
you
but
need me because you having the show and you don't have a videographer at the last fucking minute. You
right.
know what I'm saying? So even then they were like, no, we're gonna go with somebody else. Come to find out, they ain't find nobody because guess what? You're not gonna find nobody for less than what the fuck I was even charging for that for last minute and showing up to do a whole fucking comedy show. You get what I'm saying?
That's why I said like no more fucking weddings. And if I do a wedding, I'm gonna charge $5,000 fucking dollars a wedding.
Facts.
I like the first few weddings I did, I charged $500, and I got ripped off.
Yep.
And not only that, and then the one wedding that I did for $2,000, those motherfuckers tried to. I did the best job that I could possibly do in the fucking situation that I was in. You know, environmental issues. Okay.
Yeah.
If you have mixed lighting, it's not gonna be good. And I'm a pretty good photographer.
At all.
You know, but like, I don't want to talk shit. I'm not gonna name no names, but all I'll say is inside the church, all the lights were off except for red and blue lighting.
Oh man.
Literally, the groom's face looked blue and the bride's face looked red. And there wasn't a motherfucking thing I could do about it at that moment. And they were like, well, you could have told us. I said, you guys told me that there was ample lighting in this church. And and so I didn't take it upon myself to go and investigate, because normally I'll go and scope out the location, talk to the people that run the venue, and make sure that we're all on the same page. Because had I done that, I would have said, we need house lights, bro. We can't do this. This is not.
The guy I worked with for that one wedding I did, he was pretty dope. He had two lights, two off camera flashes set up. The big joints, like, and he had one in one corner, one in the other corner for just a small room. And then we got to the big room, he had like 4 of them motherfuckers. Like, and so wherever he was, he had good lighting. And I was like, that's so dope. Like, I never thought about that, having flat, and like he pointed one another way and then one directly and this one the other way, and then the other two were like bouncing off the wall and shit like that. I was just like, makes a lot of fucking sense. Makes a lot of sense, because so whatever angle you are, you can get everything, but you gotta have the money to fucking have all the flashes and shit.